Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ChatGPT network error on long responses. If you're using ChatGPT and your ChatGPT have any network error on long responses, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular. You have to try to enable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. And once you have do that, it will make a quick refresh into your network settings and go back, and you have to try to wait until your phone connects to internet. Then retry to open your chat GPT app, or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, go for general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected you have to try to disconnect. Once you have that, it almost fix your issue, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for chat GPT. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available of your chat API application, or if you have any update you have to try to update your app. And once you updated your app, it will fix all of your issues. Or if you still having the same issue, you have to make a force restart your phone. It might be sometimes your phones need a restart, so it can make these type issues, so you just have to make a force restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And after that, you can easily use your ChatGPT without any network issue or anything else. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.